Stop using sledgehammers for finishing nails. The release of Qwen 3.5 model by Alibaba just proved that the brute force era of AI is officially over. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to get frontier level intelligence on a laptop budget with this model. We are not just chatting with AI anymore, we are thinking like AI architects to make best use of what's getting out there. Understand why this model is a game changer. Imagine a library with 512 specialized or expert wings. Now, old AI models are like librarians who have to wake up every single expert in every wing just to answer a simple question or find a book. Now, it's slow, it's expensive, and it's waste of energy. Whereas Qwen 3.5 is a surgical kind of library. It only lights up the 11 experts needed for your specific task. In this era, efficiency isn't just a bonus feature. It is the architecture to make it usable at scale. Now let's look at the quantitative capabilities of this model, the model card. We see 397 billion total parameters, but only 17 billion active. This is the library analogy in data form. But look closer. We see a 256K native context window and hybrid attention. As an architect, this tells you one thing. This model is built for high-speed, low-context reasoning with massive hardware text of a dense model. So you get a lot. Now, the 5 big features of this model. What are those? Number 1, you get the logic of 400 billion parameters model at the inference cost of 20 billion model using a MOE scaling, which is mixture of experts scaling, which is an architecture used in this. Number 2, hybrid attention. It combines gated delta networks with standard attention to handle massive data without slowing down. Third, native multimodality. No more plugins. Vision and text are fused from day one, and it also gives you the 201 languages, so you get the dialects, enabling inclusiveness worldwide deployment with nuanced culture and regional understanding. So that is built into the model. Agentic core, it has native support for model context protocol and tool use. And last but not the least, very important, VRAM efficiency. You can run a high quality 4-bit on a single 24 GB consumer GPU. Now let's get architectural bit more. The secret sauce here is the gated delta network. Think of this as the smart valve of the model. Relating back to our library example, it uses the router, and the router is that librarian. It doesn't just guess which wing to open, it calculates the delta, the exact knowledge gap which is today there in your prompt, and routes the electrical signal only to those specific neurons required. And that makes this model stand out, because that's the kind of difference between a floodlight and a laser beam. Now let's take 2 examples to make more sense of it where you can use it. Scenario 1. Assume you have approx 50 file Python repository. Now a dense model might forget the first file by the time it reaches the last, and then it starts hallucinating. But Qwen 3.5 uses its specialized coding experts to map the entire dependency tree. It stays surgical all the time. You get local, private, enterprise-grade coding assistance for $0 in API fees. Scenario 2. Assume you feed the model a messy whiteboard sketch of your cloud architecture. Now, because it's a native VLM, it doesn't just see the image, it reasons through it, it identifies the security bottlenecks and immediately outputs the Terraform code to fix them. So we are moving from chatting to figuring out what's going on to executing what is intended. Here is the ultimate architect's secret, which is linked to this model. Why rent intelligence from providers when you can own the weights in your own house? With Qwen 3.5's Apache 2.0 license unlocks state-of-the-art performance locally or on-prem. You trade unpredictable monthly token bills or fixed infrastructure costs. Yes, that's a trade off, but it's an option now. You keep your data sovereign, you bypass the rate limits, and you scale on your terms. So, this isn't just about cutting costs, it's about AI intelligence sovereignty. This is how you build real capability in 2026. I am on a mission to help you become an AI architect. If you are ready to stop chasing hype and start building, hit the subscribe button and join the 10K movement. I have linked the model card in the description. Go ahead and spend 5 minutes on it. If you want a dedicated deep dive on how to read these documents like a pro, comment MC below and I'll drop that video soon. See you in the next one. Keep learning and keep smiling.